This is the 1/4 scale RC excavator we've all been waiting for. The level of detail from the chrome pistons to the articulated steel. Just look at the detail on this 1/14 scale model. The chrome pistons and the articulated steel bucket are incredibly realistic.
We're looking at a highly detailed 1/14 scale excavator. The ultra-realistic textures and robust metallic body are immediately apparent even in the box.
Let's carefully lift this section of foam away. Look at that finish. The detail on the hydraulic pistons is simply remarkable.
And here it is. I cannot believe the level of detail on this. Look at the weathering on the plastic and the articulation of the bucket. This is absolutely stunning.
And here it is, everyone, the most detailed 1/14 scale excavator on the market, completely free from its box. Isn't she magnificent?
The detail on this machine is incredible. Now, let's see how these hydraulics perform as we begin the first dig sequence.
And here we go, powering on the 1/14 scale Cabalite 336. Listen to that subtle startup sound. The detail on this thing is absolutely incredible.
Look at the detail on this thing. The metallic yellow finish and those chrome pistons are absolutely stunning. And the way
The metallic yellow finish is flawless, but the real star here are these chrome hydraulic pistons. Absolutely stunning.
Wow, look at that smooth action. The hydraulics on this 1/14 scale model are incredibly precise right out of the box.
Look at that articulation. The hydraulic pistons are incredibly smooth, giving it a full range of motion, just like the real thing. The detail is impeccable, right down to the weathered accents. And the way the bucket gently settles onto the gravel showcases incredible control.
I am so impressed with the realism of this machine. The attention to detail, from the weathered accents to the steel.
As you can see, the realistic weathering and precise hydraulics make this the most detailed model we've reviewed. It's a must-have for serious collectors.